Today we are going to talk about Filmstro. Hi guys, my name is Kripesh Advani. Here we talk about digital tools and services. Today we are going to do detailed review of Filmstro. So it's on lifetime deal right now. Now I have heard some good things about Filmstro, so I have personally bought this one, but I may claim a refund on it. Why? Let's find that out in this video. So what is Filmstro? Filmstro is a royalty-free stock music platform that was launched in 2016. Now they claim that they have thousands of songs from 60 plus albums. Basically, it consists of two things. The first one is website. On websites, you can download royalty-free songs and use it on your videos. The second part is software, which is used to fine-tune your music with depth, power and momentum. Now what exactly that is, I will let you know soon. So before I dive into the review, let's talk about the pricing first. Right now it's available on AppSumo for $59 on a lifetime deal. So if you take the tier 1 package, then you can use it on YouTube for lifetime. And if you plan to use it on other videos on TV, commercial use, or even if you are a freelancer, then you will need a tier 2 package which will cost around $118 for lifetime. So it's for limited time only. Once that gets over, price will get increased. Now before I talk about review, I would like to give one disclaimer that this video is not being sponsored by Filmstro, but if you use my link to purchase, then I will get a small commission without any extra cost to you. So if you like my video, you can use my link to purchase. That helps me to create unbiased videos like this one. Thank you. Now let's talk about the music libraries first. They claim that they have thousands of music. They haven't listed the exact number yet, and there are 60 plus albums to select from. Basically those are the categories you can select from. Like you can select on the basis of genre, ambient, cinematic, dance, or on the basis of mood. So these are 60 plus album and thousands of songs to choose from. Every song can be fine-tuned. Now quality is decent, but it is not the best collection. I still think that Envato Elements is one of the hottest thing right now for music library. I am using it for a long time right now, so if you are interested, you can read my review on my website. You can find link in the description box. The main selling point is not the music library here, but the way you can tweak the music settings. That is the main selling point of Filmstro. So let's talk about software and the main selling point. So this is where the magic happens. It's their main software. I am on Mac right now. On the left hand side, you can select the tracks. So let's create one. Create, you can import the video or soundtrack only. For this one, let's select the soundtrack and let's select minute as 1 minute. Now we can import our music here by just dragging it. So this is my music, and this is where the magic will happen. You can change three things on your music, which is momentum, depth and power. So let's first play the normal music. So let's do some magic here. Okay, so I have created some keyframes here. This one is for momentum and this one is for depth. So let's do this one. So first I have given importance to depth, and then it will gradually decrease. At the same time my momentum will increase. So you can adjust momentum, depth and power for all the music that's available on Filmstro. Now for example, in this video, since it's a dramatic starting, depth is added at beginning and then gradually it will decrease, increasing the momentum at the same time, and then later on we will see increase in power also.
Yeah. What's wrong with my site then?
Now you can use Filmstro on Final Cut Pro also. I wasn't able to install Filmstro because of this error. I have mailed them regarding this one and haven't received any update from them yet. So basically you can do the same thing on Final Cut Pro or Premiere Pro also with their plugins. So you can use the plugin here and create keyframes using the same process that I have shown you. It works similarly. So this software is really great for those who want to fine tune the music. Now if you would like to know more about this tool, you can read my detailed review on my website. So who should use this tool? If you are into editing wedding shoots, vlogs, cinematic shots, or if you are a sound enthusiast who would like to fine tune the music that they are putting in their videos, or if you are a video editor, you can use this tool. Now, who should not use this tool? If you need just for the music collection, then it's not the best one. Better go for Envato Elements. It's having a much better collection right now. And if you don't have time, because fine tuning the music will take some time out of your process. Now before I talk about why I am not going to use this tool, do give this video a big thumbs up if you have liked this video, and you can subscribe to this channel for more interesting and honest reviews. So why I am getting a refund? Now honestly I have heard some good things about this tool, but after using it I think it is not going to fit my needs. Now I usually use it for background music on my videos or for creating b-rolls of products or services or digital tools. So for b-rolls it is good, but it is going to take time, and honestly speaking I am looking to cut down my time. If they would have some AI function that automatically adjusts the track as per the transition or positions or the speed of the video, then I would have definitely buy this one, but it's all manual and AI feature is not there yet, and I hope someday someone will come up with it, but for now I am not going to go with this one. So for b-rolls I just download some good music from Envato Elements and adjust my b-rolls as per the music. Since I have the luxury that I can adjust my b-roll as per the timing or the beat of the song, I can add transition or slow the b-roll as per the music. But if I am editing some vocal shot, then I cannot use it. I cannot trim that shot just to fit that music. I need the music to be dramatic for a specific period of time, and in that case this tool is going to be of great use. But in my case I can adjust, so I am not going to use this tool for now. So let's quickly talk about some pros and cons. It is easy to use. The music library is decent. You can adjust all the music files there. Software availability is good. It is available on Mac, Windows, and extensions for Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro. And you can repeatedly play the same audio for hours. There are no restrictions. You can create the audio as long as you want, and the support is usually good. You will receive a reply within 24 hours. Now talking about some cons, I cannot preview songs on my app. For example, if this is the music and this is the music that I want to preview, I cannot preview. I will need to first download it, then I can preview. So this is going to take bandwidth as well as some space in your system. I wish they give some preview options in apps also. Second is that the audio collection is limited, but with the help of tweaking you can create lots of version from a single audio. So in my opinion this tool is not for everyone. If you are into fine tuning the music, then definitely go with this one. If you just need the music library, I still think Envato Elements is one of the best out there. Definitely check that one out. And that will be all for this one. If you have liked this video, do give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more informative videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.